Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. So my dear students, as you already know that we are on unit number 11 and is its 5th lesson. And do you remember the name of your unit? My body. Very nice. So my dear students, before moving on towards our main lesson, let's quickly recap what we have done in the previous lesson. Quickly answer, name your 5 senses and the body they belong to, body part they belong to. Okay, here the body comes. So my dear students, quickly tell me कि आपकी कितनी senses हैं. सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताएं. Name your 5 senses. You have 5 senses and quickly name them. Sense of sight, smell, hearing, taste and touch. These are your 5 senses. And to which body parts they belong to? Sight belongs to eyes, hearing belongs to ears, smell belongs to nose, taste belongs to your tongue and touch belongs to your skin all over your body, because we feel touch on all over our body. So my dear students, these are your senses and these are your parts to which these senses belongs to. And also there are pictures that you can see on your screen. Okay, now let's move forward. Now I will read a poem for you here. I use my eyes to see. I use my eyes to see. He who, how did you know? I use my eyes to see. So my dear students, you have guessed it right that today we will discuss in detail about the sense of sight. So for that we move forward towards the SLOs, which are given on page number 81. These are for the parents and the teachers to understand. We have already done the names of the body parts. You have identified the various body parts. You have named 5 senses. You have identified that which body parts do these senses belong to. And today we will identify the sensory description of sight. That the sight is bright. You identify bright, dim, and you also recognize colors from your sense of. So by the end of today's lesson, all the students will be able to differentiate between bright light and dim light, and they will also be able to know that we recognize different colors by the sense of sight. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective, which we have already discussed in the previous lessons also, that it is He who has made you and made for you the hearing and vision and hearts. Little are you grateful. So again and again, why I am telling you this? Because all the senses and all the body parts that are given to you by the grace of God. And we must be extremely thankful for all these blessings. Dear students, now before moving on towards our main lesson, quickly answer your pre-reading question. Which part of body helps you to look around you? Also name the sense. So my dear students, आप अपने इर्द गिर्द किस चीज से, अपने कौन से body part से देखते हैं? You look around with the help of your eyes. And what is the sense that the eye is having? Eyes are having sense of sight. Very good. Eye is the body part, sense of sight is the sense. My dear students, now please open page number 85 in your books. Pause the video and open the page. So my dear students, I hope everybody has opened page number 85 in their books. Okay, before moving on towards the reading page, my dear students, quickly look at the pictures on your books. There is a sunny day, there is moonlight, and there is a bulb and a candle on your screens or on your books, you can see them. So my dear students, you can see that whenever it's daylight और जब सूरज की तरफ आप देखते हैं, you must never look towards the sun because it's extremely harmful and the sun rays are very bright. लेकिन जब दिन का वक्त होता है, when it is daytime, तो आपको देखें हर तरफ कितनी ज़्यादा तेज रोशनी होती है. But whereas when you compare the moonlight, it is dim light. वो बहुत ज़्यादा तेज नहीं होती, थोड़ा अंधेरा होता है रात को. और दिन में when it is daytime, everything is so bright and at the night things are a little darker. और इसी तरीके से जब आपके घर में बल्ब जल रहा होता है और the tube light is on, you can see everything in the room. But when the electricity is off and you burn a candle, you cannot see everything clearly. A certain area of the room where the candle is lit, that area is bright, the rest of the room remains dark. So that means the light of the bulb is bright, whereas the light of the candle is dim. Similarly, the light of the sun is bright and the light of the moon is dim. So now put your fingers where I'm reading and we will start the reading here. Okay. Sense of sight. Sense of sight. We see objects with our eyes. We see objects with our eyes. Some objects are bright. Some objects are dim. Some objects are bright. Some objects are dim. So my dear students, here let's quickly circle or tick the pictures which have bright light. So my dear students, let's quickly tick the bright lights. This is bright. This is bright. And the moon is not bright. This is dim. So we will not circle it. So sunlight and LED bulb is bright. Sunlight is bright. Moonlight is dim. LED bulb is bright. Candlelight is dim. So my dear students, let's now again move towards the reading. We can see different colors. With our eyes, we can see different colors with our eyes. Some colors are bright, such as red, orange, yellow. Some colors are bright, such as red, orange, yellow. Some colors are dull, such as grey, brown. Some colors are dull, such as grey, brown, and etc. So students, here we have read that from our eyes with the sense of sight we can see bright light and dim light, and we also can see different colors from our eyes. So my dear, here we will perform an activity, and I have made a few paper baskets here. These are few paper baskets that I have made, and I have also made some paper balls. Now let's quickly see that what we will perform in the activity. This activity is given on the same page. Supervised activity number 2. Arrange 3 baskets of different colors, yellow, red and pink. I couldn't find pink colors, so I chose a blue basket. Put color pencils. I did not have color pencils, so I have made paper balls here. Similar to the basket colors in one box. Ask the students one by one to collect and put all the yellow pencils in respective basket. Repeat the activity with other 2 colors. Ask them how did they recognize colors. Their answer will be using sense of sight. So my dear students, here you can see I have 3 paper baskets, and these are the paper balls. Now, where is the yellow basket? This is the yellow basket. This is the yellow basket. And here what I will do is I will put all the yellow balls in the yellow paper basket. So, yellow ball number 1 goes into the yellow basket. All the yellow colors balls, paper balls will go into the yellow basket. Next, where is the red basket? Now I will put all the red balls in the red basket. This activity will be performed by the students in the class. One by one, they will find the colors and they will put them in the respective color basket. Now the last ball, blue balls, will go into the blue basket. So this is how I have done it. So how did you recognize the colors? आपने colors को कैसे recognize किया? With the help of your eyes. आपने अपनी आँखों से देखा and your eyes have sense of sight. And this is how you selected the colors and you identified them and put them in the right basket. Now my dear students, here is another activity, the following activity in the class. Now for this, I will be needing a torch and a candle. Now you have to tell me that which light is bright and which light is dim. The teacher will lit the candle. In the activity, it says that you need the torch which has two functions of bright and dim light, but I have a torch which has only one function. So here you can see this is the torch. Now let me lit the candle for you. Now quickly tell me which light is bright. The candle, I blew the candle, sorry. Now quickly tell me which light is bright. Of course, the torch is brighter than the candle. So how did you recognize that the candle is dim and the torch is bright? With the help of your sense of sight. Very good. Now let me blow it and switch off the torch, and here we will move forward. So with the help of our eyes, we can recognize different colors and we can also tell that the light is dim or it is bright. Okay, my dear students, now your practice page, it is given on page number 94. Pause the video and quickly open page number 94 in your books. I hope everybody has opened it. We will do a question from the writing exercise, that which body part will you use to choose bright object? So my dear students, you can also see it in the bigger form. Which body part will you use to choose bright object? Quickly tell me. Yes, your eyes. Very good. Now you will do the question in your notebooks. Open your notebooks, write down the question and answer it, and then we will move forward. I hope everybody has done it. So if you want to check your answer, here you can see the answer on your screen. The answer is eyes. Okay, my dears, let's quickly move forward. So to evaluate you, quickly answer this, that what do you do with your eyes? What do we do with our eyes? We see, we look around with the help of our eyes. And what happens when you look towards sun and moon? जब आप सूरज की तरफ देखते हैं और चांद की तरफ देखते हैं, तो what is the difference? Sunlight is bright, whereas the moonlight is dim. Very nice. Okay, my dear students, which colors do you like? So quickly tell me your favorite colors. I like yellow, I like red, I like blue. Now quickly tell me your favorites. Very nice. So my dear students, what is the color of sky and park? You can see a park on your screen. What is the color of sky and what are the different colors that you see in the park? The sky is of blue color, and the park, it has green grass, green trees, and then there are different color flowers. The bench and the trees are brown and green. So these are the different colors that you see around in the park. Okay, now your homework for today is given on page number 85. Homework activity number 5 will be your homework. What can you do with your sense of sight? Write it in your notebooks. So what you need to do is you will write a few things about that what you can do with your eyes. Quickly give me a help that we recognize colors around us with the help of our eyes, and we also identify the bright light and the dim light. Okay, you will do it at your homes, and there is also a homework which will be given to you by your Teacher in printed form. You will write down your name over here. And sense of sight, connect the things that we can see. So here you can see different things: a barking dog, a telescope, music, rainbow, loudspeaker, and an magnifying glass. So which things that you use for seeing, or you can see them, and what are the different things that you hear? So the things which you can see, I'll do the first one for you. So you will put a line from eyes towards the telescope. You use it for seeing things. So my dear students, this is how you will connect the other things with the eyes. Okay, now what have I learned today? Dim light, bright and colors can be recognized using sense of sight. So very easy, dim light, bright light and different colors are recognized by your sense of sight. And let's quickly wrap up the lesson. What are the different things that you identify from sense of sight? So क्या-क्या चीजें हैं जो आप अपनी sense of sight से identify करते हैं? You can identify bright light, dim light, and then you can also identify different colors with the help of your eyes. So sense of sight is very important. I hope you have enjoyed the topic, you have enjoyed the activity. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Take care and Allah Hafiz.